Good morning, everybody. Hope you're all doing well. I haven't done a video in a while, so here we are. Today I've decided to talk a little bit more about embalming. A lot of people don't know what it is or the process that goes into it. So basically, embalming is when we try to preserve the body for as long as possible. Obviously, after death, the cells start breaking down, and that's when decomposition sets in. So basically we try to slow that whole process down. Back in the day, they used to drain all the blood from a person's body. We don't do that anymore. Now we kind of mix the two. So for a natural person, if somebody passes away of natural causes, like a disease or a heart attack or a stroke or something like that, we just make a little incision under the arm or by the thigh near the groin area. We find the artery and we put a little pipe in the artery and we pump the fluids through. While we're pumping the fluids through, we are massaging the body because the rigor mortis already setting in. So we're trying to get those muscles nice and soft in order for the embalming fluid to go through the whole body. For an unnatural cause, it's a little bit more complicated and it takes a little bit more time. What we do is we open all the incisions that the forensics team has already made. We clean everything nice and out. We dry it all. We embalm each limb separately through the arteries, including the head. Then we dry all the organs and we pack them all nicely back into the body. Once we've done that, we sew everything back up again. So yeah, that's the embalming process. Also, a fun fact is that once we have embalmed a body, it can last like 10 years before decomposition starts actually setting in. But it also depends on the climate. So if you have a more dense climate, something where decomposition sets in a lot quicker, we pump more embalming fluid in, and the body can actually last like 30 years. So yeah, that is our embalming process. Also, people ask, why do we embalm? But embalming is very important. If the person is traveling to another country or to another province, we have to do the embalming. And also in South Africa with load shedding, it also affects our mortuaries. So if we do embalm, if our generators are not working or something like that, it also helps the deceased not to decompose. So I hope that explains our embalming process, why it's done and how it's done. And if you have any questions, let me know. Have an awesome weekend.